Introducing Young Master Zeke.
I'm Zeke Lamb. I'm from Minnesota. I'm on the administrative team for our local plant group, Minnesota Planted Tank Aquatics. I'm interested in aquascaping. Right here I have a tank I'm going to be entering in AGA in a few weeks. And also in horticulture, which is something I'm thinking of studying later in life.
Like in college?
Yes.
Which college are you thinking of going to?
Well,
University of Washington horticulture program, right?
I might apply to UW. So this is different pieces of Cereus stone that I've kind of collected over the years, but I was just trying to find something to do with this tank in here, just to get some practice in, and at some point I messaged Corey Hopkins about it because I'd posted on our competition group for critique, and then he had made some specific points that I wanted to hear more about, so I just messaged him. And I ended up spending like 7 hours on this tank, texting Corey, moving stuff, and if you look at the substrate, it's really thick and it's like sand mixed with soil, because I'd never used sand before and I'd spilled it everywhere. And then for a while it went a bit neglected because I ran out of CO2, and you have to be 18 to get paintball CO2, but you don't have to be 18 to get a 5-pound cylinder at a welding shop. I don't know what's up with that, but
welding shop, they don't. But it's because of the paintball projectile.
Yeah. But so after that, it was by that point it was around like late June this year, and I trimmed everything because it was just growing in natural light in the window, and replanted a bunch of stuff, got CO2 back on it, and started looking better. And by the time it was like mid-July, I realized like, hey, I can change this into like a competition tank. And I just kind of did, and over the last 3-4 weeks, I would say, I've been really trying to hone everything in and get it in shape for a competition.
Cool, so you're going to enter this in the AGA. What size is it, and what substrate did you end up settling on?
This is...
Looks like a mix.
This is an ADA Mini M, so it's 5.5 gallons. It's 36 centimeters long, I think. I don't remember the other dimensions. It's like 16, it's like 36 by 16 by 18 or something like that. They might be wrong, but... so most of what I have in here is protobio soil, which is similar to like a fluval stratum or an ADA. I have not found it to be as rich as ADA, just side by side in immersed setups. And also here, I had leftover ADA fertilizers, so I tried dosing them at the recommended level for this size tank at this age, and you can see the stems have pretty good color, and that's because I do limit nitrogen, but the HC, the carpet, was yellowing really badly because it was nitrogen deficient, and the Riccia on the right also was very ashy. So I just dumped KNO3 in there in the last like week, and stuff recovered pretty well, and I cut back again so the stems have good color. I did initially have cosmetic sand on the right. That path going up covered in Riccia used to be all sand, but because the scape pulled very heavily to one side, I decided to just balance and plant the whole bottom.
So how does Zeke get here? Some kind of divine intervention? I will tell you this. The young guy has been practicing. That's how he's accomplished what he has. I very much admire his dedication and how much he's working on his craft. And I really, really look forward to what he's got coming out next.